Just mix soap powder and salt. Diarist rich people taught, and I was open-mouthed. I'm sure you will be impressed by the use of this tip, making it easier to clean and maintaining a pleasant aroma in your bathroom. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Calvin Commander. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To start today's tip, in a container I will add 4 tablespoons of soap powder, and then also 4 tablespoons of salt. The ideal next is to mix well. This mixture is very effective. And always ask me how I leave the bathroom so clean. I doubt that you used this mixture of ingredients before in your home. Next, we will also use alcohol, vinegar, and the optimal amount. For the mixture is only 3 tablespoons. This blend of ingredients is perfect for cleaning in your bathroom. To dilute, the ideal is also the use of 150 milliliters of water, and then mix again until it has completely diluted. You will be amazed at the effect of this mixture, removing all dirt and stains from the toilet. We will also use a tablespoon of children's oil, which will help creating a protective layer that will prevent stains, and also in the aroma of your bathroom. We can already notice that the consistency is different from all the blends that are sold in the markets. I'm sure I have never used this mixture of ingredients and will make it too easy in your daily cleaning. To finish, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being an indispensable item for its alkaline effect. Always keeping the toilet fully clean while keeping use. After mixing one last time, we will have the tip ready for use. Just this amount we prepared is enough for use for 2 weeks. For application, only a small amount is needed, and only using the brush, we can remove all the dirt. This tip is also perfect for cleaning the sinks, being only necessary to apply, rub with a sponge, and then remove the excess with a cloth. You will be amazed by the use of this mixture in your home, being very simple and effective. Whenever I use in my home, I surprise the visitors by bringing cleaning easily. Tell me later if you got the result you wanted with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.